Hi everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to Stocks Investing Science. So in this video, we will look at all the important updates and quarterly results for the company. That is, uh, see, it's Adani Green Limited. So before going on to the consolidated results, to give a brief introduction on the company, Adani Green Energy Limited is incorporated in 2015 and it's a holding company of several subsidiaries carrying businesses of renewable power energy within the group and primarily involved in the renewable power generation and the other ancillary activities. So that's a brief introduction on Adani Green Energy Limited. Now let's move on to the consolidated results. So coming to the consolidated results, so the numbers are in crores. Now let's look at the total income. Year on year, it is increased from 2,550 crores to 3,122 crores, whereas quarter on quarter it is again increased from 2,823 crores to 3,122 crores. So that's the net income, the total income. Year on year it is increasing by almost 22 to 23%, whereas quarter on quarter it is increasing by almost 11% quarter on quarter. So both year on year as well as quarter on quarter the numbers are growing. Now let's look at the total expenses. Year on year it is increased from 2085 crores to 2447 crores, whereas quarter on quarter it is slightly increased from 2396 crores to 2447 crores. So in terms of the total expenses, I don't see a major increase in the total expenses. Now let's look at the profit for the period. So year on year it is increased from 323 crores to 629 crores, whereas quarter on quarter it is increased from 310 crores to 629 crores. So that's the profit for the period for the company. Now let's look at the EPS. So year on year it is increased from 1.8 to 2.63 rupees, whereas quarter on quarter is increased from 0.76 to 2.63 rupees. So both the numbers are increasing quarter on quarter as well as year on year. Let's see if I get any other information. I think this is the quite a segmental revenue. So from the renewable power generation, the company accounting to almost 85 to 90% of the revenue, which is both growing year on year as well as quarter on quarter. And the solar power equipments also, it is increasing year on year as well as quarter on quarter. So in terms of that segmental revenue, it's giving a good numbers as well. Now let's move on to any other information if you have. This is standalone. Okay. Just a minute. So to summarize the whole quarterly results in terms of the revenue growth and the profit growth, so the revenue has grown year on year by almost 22%, whereas quarter on quarter it's grown by almost 11%. Coming to the net profits, year on year it is growing by almost 94%, and quarter on quarter it is growing by almost 103%. It's almost double the growth quarter on quarter. So this is the results for Adani Green Energy Limited. Overall, I see company has published good numbers both quarter on quarter as well as year on year. Let's see how market reacts to this set of numbers once the market opens tomorrow. But what do you think on the above numbers? Please share your valuable thoughts on the results in the comment section. And if you like this video, please do give a like button and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future updates. And please share this video with your friends, family, and also with the ones who have invested in Adani Green Energy, so that they will be aware in the quarterly results. So that's it for it. With that, I'll come to end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next